Today I'm going to teach you how to make a sine wave in Scratch, the smooth, easy kinds. Now create two variables. The first variable is going to be called speed, and the second variable is going to be called frequency. These variables control how fast and wiggly the sine wave is. Now for this piece of code, make sure you've added the pen extension. Now first, do red and green flag clicked, pen up, and point in direction 0. Now set speed to 0 and set frequency to 45. Now after this, add a forever loop. What this will do is add all the values, so when you do a red green flag click, your sine wave doesn't go crazy. Now this is where the magic happens. Make your own block and call it create wave. Now make sure to run it without screen refresh, otherwise your sine wave is not going to work. Now what this block does is make the animation super smooth and super fast. First we're going to make it go to x minus 240 and y 0. Then we're going to set the direction to speed. This script controls how angled the wave is when it moves. This is the hard bit. Repeat 480 and change x by 1. What this does is make the sine wave actually move. Now do turn 15 degrees and add a divided by 15 block. Now also add a minus block into the first space. Now into that minus block on this space here, add a direction block. Now after this, add another multiplying block into the minus block. Now do direction times frequency. Listen, stop there. Now on the repeat 480 loop, do set y to 0, then add a sin block. Now change the abs to sin. After this, make it sin of direction. Now you can't just leave that block there. Take it out and add a multiply block. Now in one of the boxes, add 50 and then add the sin of direction block into this block right here. So that now the more the frequency, the squishier it gets. You officially finished your create wave block. Now don't just leave this poor forever loop hanging. Inside it, erase all and change speed by 10. Now after this, add the create wave block so it isn't there just for nothing. Now set speed to speed mod 360. Also, make sure to add pen down and pen up inside your create wave block. Now once you've got all of your code in, and delete the scratch cat, then add your frequency variable and then change the slider range. Change it from 0 to 10,000. Then put it into full screen and then do the red green flag click, and boom, you have a clean animated sine wave. If you want to learn more of these cool scratch hacks, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys.